Alright, here are the ingredients. We got baking powder, matcha, which is optional, vanilla, cream of tartar. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of another type of milk. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 3 egg whites. And you're gonna need 128 grams of sifted flour, or 1 cup. Okay, my egg whites are in the mixer. Just gonna lock it, and then do medium-low speed for 2 minutes. Set a timer. And we are gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Alright, let it beat for 2 minutes, medium-low. Alright, here's our egg yolk. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our milk in. And then just give it a quick beat. Using chopsticks, of course. Okay, add your butter. Alright, time is going off. Just give me a second. Alright, that's in there. Let's go back to our egg whites. Alright, so our 2 minutes just got off. We're gonna turn this to medium-high now on 7. And then just gradually add in your sugar. Alright, set a timer for 3 minutes and let it beat. And we are going to go back to our egg yolk mixture. We are back. I just added the teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just going to give it a stir. Alright. Next thing you want to do is, this is optional, add around a teaspoon of matcha powder. Give it a stir. Oh, our timer just went off. And let's check. We want stiff peak. Oh, that's stiff. Just go like that. Oh yeah, this is stiff. Look at this. Alright, let's take this off and bring it with the egg yolk mixture. Alright, let's finish stirring our mixture. This is looking a little thick. We were gonna liquefy this with a little bit more milk.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
Okay, we're just gonna do half of it with 3/4, and then we are gonna fold it. So you just want to just fold it like that. Let's get the rest of our mixture.
Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real!
Oh! Now get a non-stick pan or a regular pan, really doesn't matter. Alright guys, I got my pan here. We are gonna do just a little bit of butter. Our pan is greased. If you don't have an egg molder, just pour it in, it'll look more rustic and cool. 1 scoop right here. Let's cover it up, 3 minutes. Our timer is about to go off. 10 seconds. Alright, let's flip them. Oh, snap. Alright, our timer is done. Alright, let's take these out. Alright guys, here is our green tea Japanese pancakes. Yeah, you can feel how airy they are. The reason why they're flat is because I didn't use a mold for them, but if you have a mold, then it'll be higher and more jiggy. So, that's some maple syrup here. We're just gonna pour it across. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Let's get some maple syrup right here. Perfect. More maple syrup. Alright, and I'm gonna take a picture of this first. Get a hint of the green tea flavor. Very nice.